outside, the weather is not rubbish, so I have this that's going to make me very happy. Oh, I hope it cheer me up today. We're going outside. I'm going to test it and see how does it work. Oh yeah! If it's your first time here, you know what to do. Consider subscribing to the channel, press the red button. Yeah, you're going to be funny. No, I will be funny. Making funny, silly stuff. Don't worry. Oh yeah! Come on in. Let's go outside and test it, just to see how they're going to work. I'm back again. I think I have a new friend here. I've been using it every single day that I need to go outside. I use it. It's amazing. Oh yeah. Very funny story happened. You hear the noise, isn't it? Every single time I'm outside and people are right in front of me, I keep my social distancing. I want to make sure that nobody's close to me. But when I want to overtake and I don't give away, I just do this. You know what happened? They start moving very quick. They think I have an electric scooter. Okay. Alright, this one is amazing. You have this little metallic stuff. You can just put somewhere. You can hold it like this. Ta-da! It has 3 speeds. Normal speed, middle speed, maximum speed. Oh yeah. So you can use the power bank and charge your phone if you need it. I didn't need it. I hope I don't need it soon. Seriously, it's amazing. When you go outside, it's 23 degrees right now, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, having 23 degrees here in England in the summer. Seems like I'm in Africa. Oh yeah! I'm not going to laugh about that. Okay. What can I say? Nothing. We can use it everywhere. It's a very useful tool. We can use it for camping. Naturally. But I mean, we cannot do camping anymore. To walk in the street, people keep looking to you like you have a time machine. What can I say? Oh gosh. Well, that's the job. Keep them fresh. Charge my mobile phone in case I run out of battery. It happened. And I like it. I think I have a new friend. I will take it everywhere. Wherever I go now, I will take it in my bag. It's one of the tools that I will have in my bag. One day I will make a video about things that I have inside my bag. You will see. Subscribe. Like the video. If you like the video, share it with your friends. Oh, and comment below. Let me know what you think about the product, or what you think about me, or what you think about this channel, or what you think about whatever. Just comment below. Oh yeah! See you next time. Bye. Why are you still here? I said bye. Again.